Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to post on Pinterest. So maybe you're new to Pinterest and you want to post your first pin. If that's you, follow along with the tutorial. So if you're new to Pinterest, your account might not look like this. I've been on Pinterest for quite a while now. I've got lots of boards, lots of pins on here, but don't worry if yours doesn't look like that. So there are a couple of ways you can post on Pinterest. So you can schedule pins, you can see here. So schedule pins to go out in the future. Or if you just want to post one right now, you can click on create and click on pin. So from here, you're going to either drag over or upload your pin or photo. So let me do that now. I've got a pin I've already made that I want to post. And from there, you get to add in a title. So let's just say something like how to make money. Then you can add in a description. Obviously, you want to put a bit more detail in than this, but I'm just doing this for the tutorial. Then if your pin is linked to an article on your blog or website, you'll want to add the link here. So this is how people can click onto your pin and click through to your website. So add the link in there. Then you're going to be asked to choose a board for your pin to go on. So if you're new to Pinterest, you're not going to have all these boards like I have, but don't worry, you can create a board from here. So give your board a title and then click create. So from there, I'm going to post that pin to that board Make Money. You can schedule it to go out from a later date here, or you can just set it to publish now, which I'm going to do. So your pin has been published. You can check that it's gone out, go back to your profile and then created. Let's refresh this page. And there we go. You can see that your pin is posted. If you want to schedule a pin for the future, you can click on this scheduling option. So from here, you can see all the pins I've got scheduled already. But again, you wouldn't see this if you're new to Pinterest. So I'm going to click on the plus icon and just go through the same procedure like we did. Upload the pin, write in the title, description, link, choose the board, and then choose the date that you want it to go out on. Hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.